5 ways to help kickstart your video marketing strategy. Are you in the development stage and need some help with your video marketing strategy? We have some key points that you should remember. Hi, I'm Chris Carter from Visionair Media. Turning your video into a smashing success is really dependent on how it is scripted and formatted. Here are our top tips on creating powerful and impactful content for your community. Number 1, brainstorm. Gather your team around and brainstorm concepts. Think about what type of content would inspire your customers. Encourage your team to think outside the box and nurture the creative process. Number 2, goals. Be goal-oriented. Establish your objective of the video. Think about the challenges your organization is currently facing and align your content around the solution your organization has implemented. Number 3, storytelling. Never underestimate the power of storytelling. Consumers are receptive to a good, genuine story. Employ a creative narrative to captivate your audience. Number 4, location and talent. Be strategic with your location and talent. Choosing someone who authentically represents your organization, coupled with a scenic background, can provide for entertaining content. Finally, number 5, scripting. Source a scriptwriter, someone who is experienced, who understands the complexity behind creating a video. A script keeps the storyline together and helps the team to ensure there is a process in place. Thanks for tuning in. For the latest on Visionair Media, like us, follow us, and hit the subscribe button.